Section 1. The Brain's Silent Symphony. An Introduction. Have you ever stopped to consider the sheer processing power tucked away inside your skull? Here's a rather astonishing fact. Your brain, weighing a mere 3 pounds, generates enough electricity to power a low-wattage LED light bulb. It's a bustling metropolis of activity, constantly sending and receiving messages to keep your entire body running smoothly. This intricate communication network lets you experience the world in all its richness. To get our brains warmed up, let's start with a quick question. When you smile at a friend who sends the direct command to your facial muscles, your heart, your spinal cord, or your brain, the answer might seem obvious, but the pathway is wonderfully complex. This guide is your friendly tour of the 12 cranial nerves. Forget dense textbooks. We'll use simple language and relatable scenarios. We'll follow Anna through her morning, smelling coffee, chatting, enjoying breakfast, as we uncover each nerve's job. Section 2. Your brain's command center. The 3 main players. Think of your brain as central headquarters with departments running different operations. We'll simplify it into 3 divisions: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. First up, the cerebrum, the wrinkly dome you picture when you think brain. It's split into left and right and handles higher-level functions: thinking, learning, memory, consciousness. It processes what you see, hear, and touch, making sense of your world. When Anna spots her mug and decides to grab it, her cerebrum does the heavy lifting. Beneath it sits the cerebellum, the master coordinator. It manages balance, coordination, and fine muscle control. As Anna reaches, it calculates distance, controls speed, and fine-tunes her grip. Finally, the brainstem, ancient autopilot connecting brain to spinal cord. It runs what you don't think about: heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, and sleep cycles. While Anna sips, it keeps her lungs and heart steady. Together, they keep the system online for everything else to shine. Section 3. What are cranial nerves? They're 12 special pairs originating directly from the brain, mostly the brainstem. Spinal nerves serve your torso and limbs. Cranial nerves specialize in head and neck, with one famous wanderer. They're numbered eye to tooth from front to back. Some are sensory reporters, others motor couriers, and many are mixed, two-way highways of sensation and movement. The trigeminal lets you feel a cheek tap while powering your chewing muscles. They support blinking, smiling, swallowing, even shrugging your shoulders. As Anna smells coffee, sees her mug, and smiles, different cranial nerves carry each signal and command. Next, we'll meet each one with simple, memorable examples you can use. Let's begin at the front. 2 nerves devoted to smell and sight. Cranial nerve I, the olfactory, carries odor signals from receptors high in the nasal cavity to the cerebrum. That's how Anna's coffee scent sparks comfort and alertness. Cranial nerve 2, the optic, is the superhighway for vision, retina to brain. Colors, words, faces, all converted to signals and shipped along the optic nerve. When Anna wakes, it streams her room's image to her brain. It's a one-way route for vision. Their direct tie to the cerebrum shows how vital sight and smell are. Smell links to memory. Vision consumes major brain power. Quick quiz. When food tastes bland with a blocked nose, which nerve matters more for flavor, olfactory or optic? Take a beat. Think about which sense adds nuance. We'll check your answer soon. Next, the nerves that choreograph eye movements and animate your face. 3 nerves sync your gaze: oculomotor, trochlear, and abducens. Oculomotor is the powerhouse, moves the eye up, down, inward, lifts the lid, and constricts the pupil. Trochlear drives a single muscle to look down and rotate inward. Think reading a line of text. Abducens moves the eye outward, away from the nose. Together, they let you track motion and scan a room seamlessly. Cranial nerve V, trigeminal, splits into 3 branches to sense your forehead, cheeks, and jaw. It lets you feel a breeze, or the bite of a toothache. It's also motor, powering the jaw to chew, like when Anna crunches her toast. Cranial nerve 7, facial, is the nerve of expression. It animates smiles, frowns, surprise, even a nose wrinkle. It also carries taste from the front 2/3 of your tongue, sweet jam included. Remember, V feels the face and chews, 7 moves expressions and tastes the front of the tongue. Cranial nerve E8, the vestibulocochlear, has 2 jobs. The cochlear branch carries sound to the brain, like a whistling kettle alerting Anna. The vestibular branch senses head movement and position, sending balance data to the cerebellum so you can stand, walk, or spin without tumbling. Cranial nerve 9, the glossopharyngeal, handles taste from the back third of the tongue and sensation in the throat. It's crucial for swallowing and helps trigger the gag reflex to protect your airway. Quiz. Which cranial nerve keeps you from getting dizzy when you turn your head quickly? Think about its 2 branches and hold that answer. Active recall cements learning. Nice work. Cranial nerve X, the vagus, means wandering, and for good reason. It travels far beyond the head and neck, linking brain to heart, lungs, and gut. It's a major player in your rest and digest system. It helps regulate heart rate, coordinates swallowing and voice, and signals your digestive tract to process food. No surprise, it's a research star in mood, inflammation, and overall health. Cranial nerve INTS, the accessory, powers your sternocleidomastoid and trapezius. It turns your head and lets you shrug or lift your shoulders. If Anna turns toward a sound, XI is on duty. Cranial nerve. Tootine, the hypoglossal, controls nearly all tongue muscles. It enables clear speech, smooth swallowing, and precise food movement in your mouth. Together, X, IXI, and STEAM keep your voice, posture, and tongue working flawlessly. Now see the symphony, how all 12 coordinate real life. Coffee scent hits eye, and her brainstem nudges wakefulness. 3 helps open her eyes. 2 carries the scene, and 3, EV, 6 steer her gaze. Fate and her cerebellum stabilize her steps. X shapes her voice. T's articulates. 7 paints the smile. V chews and senses crunch. 7 and 9 taste. 9 and X coordinate the swallow, while X manages heart and digestion. Quiz answers. Flavor depends on I, the olfactory nerve. Balance during quick head turns. 8, the vestibulocochlear. Understanding your brain and cranial nerves helps you care for them. Prioritize quality sleep. Your brain cleans house, consolidates memories, and repairs. Fuel up. Fruits, veggies, healthy fats, and lean proteins support nerve health. Move daily and challenge your mind. Novelty and engagement build resilient networks. If this helped, subscribe now, comment 1 habit you practice, and share this with a friend. Pinned. Helpful comment. I'll share my favorite tip. Reply with yours so we can all learn together. Thanks for watching.